Hi, Ryan. It's Wednesday, which means it's Halloween, so happy Halloween. Thank you so much for your poems this week. I did mention in my written comments to please, please, please make sure that you include questions after each of your poems that you're submitting. It really makes a difference in terms of soliciting feedback that is valuable rather than um, maybe a bit more random from me and from your writing group, your classmates. Um, let's see, I want to go dig into A Day at the Library. I really loved the imagery that you used in this poem. All of the sensory details were super helpful. Even the ouch, I could feel the ouch of the paper cut when that happened. So nice work. And I love that you chose an Emily Dickinson poem to trace. And I thought you did a lovely, lovely job. There's even something that carried over not just in the form, but almost in Dickinson's tone of her poem that I'm finding in your poem, which is really cool. So thank you so much for your poems this week. Please include questions next week so that we have a little bit more direction in terms of the kind of feedback you like to see. Thanks so much, Ryan. Happy Halloween.